Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this cell phone and tablet stand. This was recommended by k8smallthings on Instagram. I've never opened this yet. This just came in this morning, and the only thing I did was take it out the Amazon box. I didn't actually get the same exact one she had. The one that I got was the one that you can put a phone and a tablet. And the main reason why is because I want to start using my iPad to record from now on and not use my cell phone, because too many people interrupt the video and I need to be able to use my tablet instead. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so it's by the brand Saiji, I think that's how you say it. And if you look on the back, it has all the specifications. And it says it has a 1-year warranty. The main reason why I got it was because I needed a stand for the iPad. But what sold me, what she said was that it was the most sturdy stand that she's ever come across, or that she's ever had. So let's see. It looks like it shows you the height adjustable 360 rotation, multi-view and angle on the lid part of the box. All right. Just like everything else, there's something you have to put together. So it does look like you have to actually do some manual labor, which is not a problem, but for 50 bucks, you would think that it would already come assembled. Okay, so here's a little user manual that it comes with. So this is the stand. It's actually pretty heavy. That's probably why it's so sturdy. So you have the stand, and it looks like the actual, the stick portion of it, which looks like this. So I'm assuming that you take, there's only one screw, which is not that bad, I guess, considering. So it looks like you take this screw and you just attach these two things together and put the screw at the bottom. So let's make sure that is exactly what needs to be done. They do give you an Allen wrench, so if you don't have one, don't worry, it comes with one. And it looks like that's about it. There's nothing else left in there. All right, so it looks like it adjusts this way, which I'm assuming you're supposed to grab the red handles and open it. And then it looks like you can rotate it that way or leave it sideways. All right, so let's put this baby together. Well, I'm assuming you just stick that in there. Let's see. It says, hold the top and pull up the telescopic rod for the height adjustment. That's just telling you for the height adjustment. Let's see. Oh, installation. Insert rod fully into base until it clicks in position. Okay, it definitely did not click in position, so let's do that. There it goes. All right, now it says insert screw from the base into rod. All right, easy enough. I think a monkey could figure this out. And tighten the screw. All right, so let's tighten. It's the thing with Allen wrenches, they don't stay. All right, let's do it this way. I'm pretty excited about this because let me tell you, I bought the ring light from Amazon, and I actually don't know the name of that one, but I can link it when I add all the effects to the video and I edit. That one doesn't adjust for the tablet, and it literally comes with 3 different tripods, a mini tripod, and then 2 different attachments for the main tripod that I'm using right now for my phone. And you would think that that would adjust big enough for a tablet, and it doesn't. And that one cost 42 something. So you would think that that one would be able to adjust, but it doesn't. Okay, so there it is. I'm finished adding the final. Let me do it one more time just in case. Okay. All right. So I'm finished attaching the stand to the actual base. And so, I mean, let's see. That's it. That's all. That's the tallest that it goes. So a little bit, like an inch longer than the length of my elbow to the tips of my fingers. So it's not that tall, which is okay because I don't really need it to be that tall. The main reason why I needed this was because I got tired of the tripod flying over when there's strong winds. We're in the middle of a hurricane. And I film outside to work out. So this base is actually heavy enough to where the wind's not gonna blow it. The base itself is pretty heavy. And this whole thing just seems heavy duty altogether. So if you're looking to purchase this, I'm gonna show you the box one more time. And like I said, it says cell phone and tablet stand. So if you're looking to purchase this, it's the Model S3E. And I'm gonna show you the box one more time. And I wanna say this one was $47. So, I mean, I could have just bought this instead of the other tripod, but the other tripod actually goes a lot taller, the one that I'm using right now. So I'm actually glad that I have both of these options. The other one is not as sturdy, but this one is pretty heavy duty. Now let's try out the iPad on the actual stand. Let's see how it works out. All right, let me open it right quick. No, I don't want to talk to you, Siri. Okay, so there you have it. It works perfectly. And so if I wanted to rotate it, I mean, obviously it's stiff enough to where it's not so flimsy where it's gonna just rotate on its own. You do have to kind of push it a little bit. And so there you have it. It works perfect, and this is exactly what I needed it for. So thank you, Kate, for recommending this actual brand so that I can look at more options on Amazon and find the one that I needed. Oh, and it tilts, FYI. It tilts upward and downward, if I didn't show you that already. So I'm glad that you unboxed this with me, and I'm so excited to use this. If you want more like this, more videos, more content, please subscribe, like my videos, and come back and see me soon. Bye.